In order to answer the question of class status of indigenous people, we first have to define what class is. Class is based on the social status and or economic circumstance of a person. Throughout the lectures, it is mentioned that America was a classless society where all people have the opportunity to reach social and economic success. However, there are many points throughout American history where we have seen the evidence of a class structure. This is most evident when you think about indentured servants, slaves, and unskilled workers. Throughout the lecture, it was mentioned that the upper class became obsessed with primitivism, which is the romantic notion that primitive communities lived closer to nature and were thus morally and physically superior to industrialized society. The upper class believed that returning to nature and experiencing this strenuous life would rejuvenate the mind and strengthen the body. The leaflet for the Hopi House gives the audience a backstory of the Indians that they are going to encounter and what they are going to see while they visit. This is a place where people could see what the primitive people of the area did and how they supposedly lived. However, this leaflet by Fred Harvey depicts the indigenous people as being of lower class because they are seen as being less educated than the people who visited the area, and this can be seen when the leaflet describes the customs of the indigenous people as being weird, and when he mentions their crude way of living, and when he focuses solely on the artisanal things that they make and not on their progress.